My name is Amy Hallquist. The symptoms that I had is I was struggling with varicose veins since I was in high school, and they just progressively got worse. I was having lots of swelling in it was mainly my right leg. I was having lots of swelling in it. Walking, it was throbbing, and I just could not tolerate much being in an upright position very much. I was pregnant with both of my children and ended up having blood clots with my first child, and then I had vein stripping after each pregnancy. And the vein stripping procedure was just very painful, and I wasn't really wanting to do it again. But then after 10 years later, I was having increased problems again and decided it was time to do it. So I had seen where this place was doing the laser, and I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try and see if it was any better. Yeah. It affected my daily routines. I finally started wearing compression garments, which helped, but still by the end of the day, they were tired and sore and throbbing. And if I was up walking a lot during the day, which I do anyway with my job, then they were just swollen and throbbing and very heavy and painful. I was feeling nervous about coming through and doing it again because the vein stripping procedure was such a hard procedure to go through. And so I wasn't sure whether I wanted to go through anything like that again. But I knew that I couldn't continue to have the heavy leg syndrome and just being in the pain of every day. And I was really kind of questioning whether laser could take care of it because I had to have the vein stripping before. So I was really kind of second guessing whether it would even work. I felt very comfortable after meeting Dr. Gupta. He was very calm and easy to understand, and he explained the whole procedure, explained what was going on in our vein system. Very compassionate man. I'm just very pleased that I was able to meet him. And I was just really pleased with how he presented himself and how he presented what was wrong with, what could be wrong with me. I hadn't had the ultrasound done yet, but just explaining the process of how veins work. So I was very comfortable with staying here and having the procedure. Everyone was so friendly and inviting and caring. I didn't feel out of place at all. The atmosphere was just really nice. It was a really pretty office. It was nicely kept, clean. So I just really enjoyed walking in the door. The staff is very friendly and very warming, and I just felt very comfortable coming in here and doing anything with payments or just getting my appointments. It's easy. They call me to remind me of appointments, and I can't say enough about the staff. They're fantastic people. I was very pleased to find out that insurance did cover it. The treatment and recovery was very easy, very good. After the procedure here, I was able to go right back to work, walk, do anything that I was wanting to do. I was very happy with the treatment the treatment afterwards. The recovery was extremely fast versus the stripping. It was, I was up and going the same day, whereas the stripping I was down for almost a week and in a lot of pain. I had mild discomfort during the procedure, and that was it. I was up and out walking, and I was surprised that I was able to get out and going that fast. Now I can travel, I can fly, and I don't have any pain at all or any increased swelling right now. Just ready to enjoy my life and get out there, and I'm extremely grateful for Alsara Clinic. I am very grateful for finding Dr. Gupta. I feel like I have more freedom in my life. I can go out, I can work out, I can run without feeling the heaviness in my leg and the increased swelling. I was extremely surprised how the procedure went and how easy it was to do and how much better I felt at the end. So I am very pleased with Dr. Gupta and his staff with the procedure, and I would highly recommend if you have any kind of vein issues just to come in and get it checked out. I would highly recommend anyone with a vein problem to come to Alsara Clinic to get it checked out and to get a recommendation on how to help them. It's a fantastic place, and I can't say how much I appreciate everything that they have done for me. To know that there is hope out there, that there is a procedure that does not include stripping of the veins is fantastic. I'm extremely happy that I came. It has made a difference in my journey, just because now I can get out and I can go to all of my children's sporting events and walk around all day and not have an increased swelling in my leg. When I get home, it's not throbbing. I can continue to come home and do my laundry and clean the house and do everything that I can do. I'm not sitting down trying to prop my leg up saying that, hey, I have to get off of it. Whereas before, if I had activities all day long, I would be going home and elevating my leg and so that till the throbbing would go away. Now I can go to all the sporting events, come home, maybe go work out or come home and finish all my house activities, and I am feeling great.